Hi there, I have some new product information to share with you today, so I thought I would take this time to do that. Have you ever wanted to cleanse your body, get kind of detox and all that kind of thing, but didn't want to, be in the bathroom all day or be sick or have to do some huge long drawn out day after day kind of detox or whatever? Well, there is an easy way to do it. Just simple little bottle of parsley. Parsley is a new essential oil that Young Living came out with. I'll be sharing about some of the other ones too, but I'm really excited about these new Vitality oils. So parsley oil, smells like parsley. You can take it in a capsule and you can put it in water. I probably would take it in a capsule because I'm not sure how if you want to drink parsley water. The properties of parsley are that it enhances your food. So you can put it in recipes and things like that. I would just put a tiny bit in and just kind of play around with it. But what I'm going to talk about today is it promotes internal cleansing and wellness, and it's used for thousands of years and has antioxidant properties. So if you want a simple, kind of real gentle, just daily detox and cleansing, internal cleansing, and antioxidant, put a drop or two of this Vitality oil in one of those little clear capsules that you can get either through Young Living or health food store. Open it up, put a couple capsules in there, just take it in the morning, and you will help your body to be well. You'll do just really gentle internal cleansing, and it'll help your body produce or make sure that it's producing antioxidant properties. So I hope you guys like that and look forward to some of the other new products I'm going to be sharing too. Make sure that you only use Young Living oils. I would never put take any oils internally unless they were Young Living. Let me know if you have any questions about that. I hope this was helpful, and you guys have a great day. Take care.